Hi, welcome to a new video. This is just a unboxing of Flipkart SmartBuy cordless screwdriver. It's using 3.6 volt battery. I will just pause and I will open the box. This is the outer case. You can see. Actually, you can open that. Okay. You can look what's inside the items. Okay, we have several screw sets, then these LEDs, then a user manual, then the charging cable, then a flexible nose, this one. Actually it has a light, then we can switch to forward or reverse. Okay, I think you can also rotate that with the help of this button. Saying okay, I will rotate, and because I don't have a tripod I need to pause the video. Okay, after pushing this button we will be able to do it just like this. Actually I have purchased this item for 1000 rupees. For 1000 rupees I think it's a good deal. It has forward and reverse. It has a magnet effect, so you can easily attach bits. Okay. Then actually while charging there is a LED that will glow. I will show that in a moment. Actually these are the bits that are coming with this screwdriver. This flexible hose is also useful. Actually this case is a good case, I believe. You can use this one to make it a little bit extension. This can also be used in small plastic or small items. Just let me know in comments if you need more details about this device. I will just show while charging to show how it's glowing. Yeah, you can see while charging it will glow. When the charging is completed, this light will be turned off. That's it. We can actually use this only to drill some small holes on plastic box or anything like that. Maybe on wood it will work, or don't try on any other materials. I think that will not properly work.